Hey guys, it's Mark at Rickshaw. I thought you might enjoy an unboxing video of our new No Borrow pen. So here we go. It comes in this box and it's got these fun "No, you cannot borrow my pen" stickers used to tape it closed. And on the back there's our No Borrow Ninja. And so we start by slitting the tape there, slit the tape there, slit the tape on this side. Now let's open up the box. And inside there's another Ninja and some yellow tissue paper. You can tear that open there. And what do we have inside? We've got the No Borrow sleeve for our pen. We've got the pen, and we'll open that up in a second. And we've got our No Borrow Ninja sticker sheet with some stickers for Rickshaw and Retro there, and 3 stances of our Ninja, and No, you cannot borrow my pen sticker. Those are all stickers. And we've got a little postcard in here if you want to put that on your bulletin board, thanking you for your purchase. I thank you. And that's it. Now let's get into the pen here. So here's the classic Retro pen tube. You can see we've got our Ninja on the outside there. We've got the No, you cannot borrow my pen. Got some logos. Let's unzip the plastic and pop the top. And we've got some literature inside. You guys know about that. And here is the pen. All right, the pen is gloss finish and gloss at the on the hardware, so the tip and the finial are both gloss. And on the end of the finial there, you'll see the yellow R-Dot logo, we call it, at Rickshaw, on black. And then you've got the words reading up the pen on this side, down the pen on this side. The idea is that it reads right when it's in your left hand, in my case, or in your right hand, whichever the case may be. So there you have it. That is the new No Borrow pen from Rickshaw. Thanks for watching.